do we go from here? Time ain't nothing but time. I now have no fear of my fears and no more tears to cry. Tomorrow means nothing at all if we don't hear the line when today places its call.